In this episode, we look at the Network Monitoring tab using Suricata I D S. Open the Network tab. Suricata ships with over 50,000 detection signatures, inspecting every packet across HTTP, DNS, TLS, SMB, FTP, RDP protocols. The dashboard shows real-time traffic with flowcharts. Below is the list of detected network events, classified as malware, exploit, scan, brute force, or protocol anomaly. Each event shows source IP, destination, port, signature ID, and description. Click an event to see the full packet capture. Filters let you query by IP, port, protocol, or time range. Data persists 90 days in ClickHouse for retrospective analysis. This is the early detection layer before attacks reach the endpoint.